It's time to download library packages for our newly created environment. To find libraries for installation, go to the site Anaconda Cloud anaconda.org and search for your needed libraries. You can select your desired package and start download. I will show you how to create a complete deep learning environment for your apps. We will start with Keras installation. Keras is a neural network API, written in Python which runs on top of TensorFlow or Theno. Librosa is a Python package for music and audio analysis. We do tasks like construction and display of MEL spectrogram, MFCC, making tuning estimation, etc. Jupyter Notebook is a browser-based interpreter. You can write interactive codes with Jupyter. Spider is an open-source IDE for developing Python. BZ2 file is a Python library to read compressed files in the zip2 or BZ2 file format. Matplotlib is Python 2D plotting library which produces publication quality figures. Scikit-learn is a machine learning library containing functionalities like classification, regression, clustering and dimensionality reduction. Pandas provides data structures like series and data frame for numeric and time series data. Pillow is Python imaging library, which gives image processing skills to Python interpreter like image filtering, image enhancing, editing text to images, etc. Seaborn is a Python visualization library based on Matplotlib. It provides a high-level interface for drawing attractive statistical graphics. PyTest is a testing framework which allows us to write test codes using Python. Twisted is an event-driven networking engine written in Python. It provides us easy server, client app functions. PyQt Graph is Python graphics and graphical user interface library built on Qt.